We've been in the basement, waiting for the medicine. Now we're on the pavement, grieving the environment. The bankers in the shop seats never seem to get enough financing fossil fuel stuff. Get your holders paid off. Look out, kid, see what they did. They funded acid rain, now they're doing it again. You better join the rebellion. Looking for some new friends. Wake up G7, talking while the world ends. Their climate fix takes 30 years. We've only got 10. We want the bank to see sense, drop the bank of pretense, saying that it's all swell. We'll buy another oil well, crack gas mine, coal is gold in every deep hole. Cutting down 1 million trees to fund some bad commodities. Look out, kid, it's time to get rid. Close down those who earn God knows, wrecking our earth with investments they chose. Ocean levels rose, Arctic unfroze. We still don't need a weatherman to know which way the wind blows. I get well, get sick, fund another oil slick. Coal or gas, take your pick, making bankers rich quick. Lie well, who can tell? PR do a hard sell, tell another tall tale. Pay some fines if you fail. Look out, kid, you're gonna get hit. A smooth talking cheaters, democracy defeaters, financing conflict theaters, dictators with their dirty dosh, looking for a greenwash. Don't follow leaders, watch the social medias. So feel shame, your names are tar sands, ruined lands, dictators, bloody hands, land steals, dead seals, try to make the big deals. Blind eye, nice try, don't doubt, climate change will find you out. 40 years of science, you should know what this is all about. Look out, kid, we keep it all hid. Better light yourself some candles, seek out the key financials, which fund the eco-vandals, expose them to some scandals. Teach them better ways, begin a greener phase, when what rhymes with banker won't be oil tanker.